Hi, good morning, students. Welcome to our another English class. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, before going to start, dear students, yesterday in previous grade we have talked about the mysterious story of Zeta Wade. So, tell me, what was the name of the boy in the story? Yes, correct. Zachary Zwicker. The name of the boy we are going or we have talked about in the story is Zachary Zwicker. And what kind of work did Zachary like to do? Yes, he liked to do or he liked to read books full of strange facts and scroll through a dictionary for unusual words, especially words beginning with Z. Yes. And suddenly, when he was sitting in the backyard, what happened to him? Yes. When he was sitting back against a tree, leaning back against the tree, he closed his eyes and thought about his name and initials and he went to sleep. The word Jade, Jade tells us about the that to go to sleep. Okay, and as we have seen that we have learned that he had seen a gaudy dressed man. Okay, what was the name of that man? Okay, the name of that man was Jijman the Chevan. And where was he landed? Yes, now our Zachary Zwicker was in the Jixland. And what is Jixland? Jixland is the land of the Zeta Wade. So, as we have studied, now Zachary Zwicker, the boy, he went to sleep and now he reached in the land of Jixland, the land of Zeta Wade, where each and everything was very strange. Okay, now let's see what happens with Zachary Zwicker. Okay, so first let's read some topics, some lines, and then I'm going to explain you. Okay, so please open page number 18 of your English textbook. So dear students, as we know, the conversation is going between the Zachary Zwicker and Jijman the Jevan. Okay, the gaudy dressed man in the Jixland, the land of Zeta Wade. Let's see what did he say. You haven't learnt your ZYX8? Right now you say the Zeta Wade backwards, but soon you will recite it properly and as fast as I do. ZYXWVUTSRQPONMLKJIHGFEDCBA. So, dear students, the land of Zeta Wade or the Jixland is an imaginary place where all the English initials are counted in backward side as we go from A to Z, but they write though in a opposite order, backward order. That is, they started with Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. So, isn't it interesting? Okay, how funny they are in Zeta Wade. Okay, so Jijman jumped off his steed and said, now see, the man is the man, the Jijman. Okay, this man jumped off his steed and said, what is steed? So here steed is a male horse. It is a male horse. And he jumped off, kuda wahan se, and said, you will notice I am riding our national animal, the zebra. So he said, you will notice, you Zachary Zwicker, you will notice I am riding our national animal. So zebra is the national animal. But as the Jack the Jilker noticed, Jack knew enough about animals to know that zebras can never be tamed. Jidgmund's zebra looked like a horse with black stripes painted on it. Actually, the man sitting on the zebra, actually that wasn't zebra, because Jack knew enough, जैक को इतना तो पता ही था कि जेब्रा को लोग पालतू नहीं बना सकते थे. इट्स इनफ अबाउट एनिमल्स टू नो दैट जेब्रा कैन नेवर बी टेम्ड. टेम्ड हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ टेम्ड मीन्स टू डोमेस्टिकेट, मतलब उसको घर में रख नहीं सकते, उसको पाल नहीं सकते. ओके, टेम्ड. ओके, नॉट इन कंट्रोल, जिसको हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. सो Jidgmund's zebra looked like a horse. So what type of zebra? Was it zebra really? No, it wasn't zebra actually. So Jidgmund's zebra looked like a horse with black stripes painted on it. Actually ज्विकर को लगा कि ये तो जेब्रा है ही नहीं, हाँ, ये हमें मूर्ख बना रहा है. जेब्रा लुक्ड लाइक अ हॉर्स, वो घोड़े के समान दिख रहा था जिस पर कि ब्लैक स्ट्राइप, ब्लैक कलर की पट्टियाँ पेंट की हो और उसको जेब्रा का रूप दिया गया है. ओके, सो इन दिस वे. आर यू श्योर इट्स जेब्रा सर? आस्क्ड जैक. आई थिंक यू गॉट चीटेड. तो जैक ने पूछ लिया कि सच में सर आप पक्का कह रहे हैं कि ये जेब्रा ही है? मुझे लगता है, आई थिंक यू गॉट चीटेड, आपको फंसाया गया है. चीटेड, चीटेड मीन्स फंसाना. ओके, किसी को मूर्ख बनाना या उल्लू बनाना. ओके, सो झैकरी को लगा कि आपको जेब्रा बना के आपको पेंटेड हॉर्स दे दिया गया है. सर इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली जेब्रा, इट्स अ मेल हॉर्स. साइलेंस, व्हेन आई से इट्स अ जेब्रा, इट्स अ जेब्रा. द जिजमंड शाउटेड ऑन हिम. साइलेंस, चुप रहो. जब मैंने कहा कि ये जेब्रा है तो ये जेब्रा है. यस सर, सेड जैक, बट इट स्टिल लुक्ड लाइक अ हॉर्स विथ अ बैड पेंट जॉब. हाँ सर, यू आर करेक्ट, सेड जैक. जैक ने कहा, बट इट स्टिल लुक्ड लाइक अ हॉर्स विथ अ बैड पेंट जॉब. लेकिन ये अभी भी मुझे हॉर्स के समान ही, घोड़े के समान ही दिख रहा है जिस पर बहुत बुरी तरीके से पेंट का काम किया गया है. इट्स नॉट परफेक्ट. सो अगेन ही वॉज एंग्री. नाउ द जजमेंट वॉज एंग्री विथ दिस ज्विकर. बी केयरफुल यंग ज्विकर, said Jidgmund sternly. In a firm, strong voice he said to Jwicker, be careful, सावधान बच्चे. You Jwicker, said Jidgmund sternly, in confirm voice, very strongly. You will be asked some questions, and if you answer them correctly, you may become a number 1 Gippslander. Now he put him some थिंग्स. यू विल बी आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस, तुम्हें कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. एंड इफ़ यू आंसर देम करेक्टली यू मे बिकम अ नंबर 1 जिक्सलैंडर. और तुम उनके सभी प्रश्नों के अगर सही जवाब दोगे तो आप नंबर 1 के जिक्सलैंडर कहोगे. ओके, यहाँ के रहवासी कहलाओगे. इफ़ यू आंसर देम इनकरेक्टली, बट यदि आपने उनका गलत जवाब दिया, वी विल टर्न यू इनटू अ टेरिबल क्रिएचर like those creatures that were carrying your cage. अदरवाइज अगर आपने गलत आंसर दिए तो हम आपको बहुत भयंकर, भयानक, खतरनाक क्रिएचर में, जानवर में, व्यक्तियों में बदल देंगे. लाइक दोज क्रिएचर्स दैट वर कैरिंग योर केज, उनके जैसे जो तुम्हारे केज को, तुम्हारे पिंजरे को तुमको यहाँ तक लेके आए, हम तुम्हें बदल देंगे. Jack trembled as the 4 creatures threw back their hoods and stared at him with horrible blank eyes that looked like zeros. और जैसे ही जैक ने उन चारों क्रिएचर्स की तरफ देखा जिन्होंने उसका केज को बुलाए थे, दे थ्रू बैक देयर हुड्स, उन्होंने अपने सर का जो टोपी था, जो हुड था, वो हटाया. एंड स्टेयर्ड एट हिम विथ हॉरिबल ब्लैंक आइज, और वो एक टक घूर कर जैक को देखने लगी. उसकी उन सब की आइज कैसे दिख रही थी? आंखें जस्ट लुक्ड लाइक जीरोज, जैसे कि बहुत बड़ा जीरो आके बाहर निकल चुकी थी. एंड दे लुक्ड वेरी अगली, वेरी डेंजरस, वेरी टेरिबल एंड हॉरिबल. एंड दैट्स वाई जैक ट्रेम्बल्ड, शुक विथ फियर. वो डर के मारे कांपने लगा जैक. ओके, देन नाउ लिसन क्लोजली टू आवर रूल्स, Judgment said. Now listen closely to our rules. Yes, sir. Now Jack was in great fear. You can use ordinary words that begin with the unimportant last letters of the alphabet. L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, and even A. But unimportant names must begin with important letters. Above all, no A names are tolerated here. They are forbidden. Do you understand? So, the judgment now here is telling Jack the rules of the Jigsland. You can use ordinary words that begin with the unimportant last letters of the alphabet. Okay, these are the unimportant words of the last letters of the alphabet. So you can use any ordinary words that begin with unimportant last letters of the alphabet like L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, and even A. But important, but be careful, names must begin with important letters only. Okay, important names must begin with important letters. And above all, no A names are tolerated here. A is forbidden. Okay, they are forbidden. Do you understand? A नाम A से कोई भी नाम यहाँ पर शुरू नहीं होगा. Names are tolerated here. No A names tolerated, मतलब उनको बियर नहीं किया जाएगा. They are forbidden means they are not allowed. Forbidden means मना करना. They are forbidden. Do you understand, Jack? So Jack said, yes, sir. Then judgment said, then go. From now on you will travel this road alone. I shall fly on ahead and be waiting to meet you at my palace, the famous Zenith cigarette. Okay, so judgment the Jivan said, then go. अब तुम जाओ यहाँ से. From now on you will travel this road alone. अब तुम्हें इस रोड से अकेले ही ट्रैवल करना होगा. I shall fly on ahead, और मैं उड़कर जाऊँगा आपसे पहले. And be waiting to meet you at my palace, मैं अपने राजभवन में जाऊँगा. And what is the name of the palace? The famous Zenith cigarette. Now dear students, what is the Zenith cigarette? So Zenith cigarette is the palace of Jeevan the Jigsland. Okay, now let's see. A cigarette, sir, isn't that one of those buildings shaped like a pyramid? A cigarette, sir, isn't that one of those buildings shaped like a pyramid? Okay, so cigarette के बारे में जैक को पता था. Okay, and that's why he said, exactly, now go. Exactly. Yeah, here the meaning of exactly is that exactly. Okay, so and jigging left, jagging right up the road went a nervous Jack Reachwicker. Jigging and jagging, jig jag मतलब कभी इधर मुड़ते हुए तो कभी उधर मुड़ते हुए. झिग झैग आड़ा टेढ़ा. ओके, सो जिग कभी लेफ्ट को तो कभी राइट को मुड़ते हुए वो रोड से जाने लगा. ओके, एंड ही वॉज वेरी नर्वस, ही वॉज अनहैप्पी. जिगिंग लेफ्ट, जैगिंग राइट up the road went a nervous Jack Reachwicker. Even if he answered all the questions right, what was the impossible thing he would have to do to get away from Jigsland and go home? वो सोच रहा था कि अगर उसने even if he answered all the questions right, अगर उसने पूरे सवालों के जवाब सही भी दे दिया, so what was difficult? What was the impossible thing he would have to do to get away from Jigsland? फिर भी उसको जिग्सलैंड से कैसे निकलते आएगा और वो घर कैसे जा सकता, उस बात की उसको चिंता हो रही थी. ओके. The first place he came along the road was, now his journey was starting. He had on a journey of the Gigsland alone. Okay, the first place he came along the road was a shop with flowers in the window and sign that said flower shop. So, dear students, you can see the spelling of flower, Phlower, shop. Oh, what a silly way to spell flower, he thought. और जैक को लगा कि किस बेवकूफ़ी तरह से, ऑन अ फुलिश और स्टूपिड वे, they have written the spelling of flower, he thought. But then he remembered that F was at the wrong end of the zeta bit, and then he realized that F is an important word. Okay, and that's why they have not mentioned the word F. Okay, so then he understood. Then what happened next? You can see the flower shop in the picture. Then suddenly a man came out of the shop, held up his hand, and said, "Stop before you pass my shop. You must tell me the name of our national flower." You stop before you pass my shop. Pass means गुजरने से, आगे जाने से पहले. You must tell me the name of our national flower. Oh, Jack almost laughed. जैक बड़ा खुश हुआ और हंसने लगा. दिस वॉज इजी फॉर समवन हु न्यू अ लॉट ऑफ जेड वर्ड्स. उसके लिए ये काफ़ी इजी वर्क था, इजी आंसर था, क्योंकि वो जिस किसी को भी जेड से वो रिलेटेड वर्ड पता होते हैं, सो उन्हें ये आसानी से पता होगा. एंड जैक को पता था. यस, आई नो द जीनिया. एंड ही सेड द नेशनल फ्लावर ऑफ जिक्सलैंड इज द जीनिया. सो pass, said the florist. Florist is the person who sells flowers, make garlands. Okay, so pass, said the florist, and Jack again zigzagged on ahead till he came to a shop with a sign that said Valerie shop. Valerie shop. Okay, even before a woman came out of the shop, Jack knew the answer. Dear students, you can see in the picture Valerie shop. Valerie shop. Okay, so what do you think it is actually in our language? Yes, correct. It must be a jewelry shop. Okay, again jewelry, J word is unimportant. Okay, so it is again the F was at the wrong end of the zeta bit, and that's why they could not pronounce or use the J. So J, they have turned J into Y. Okay, okay. So Valerie shop means jewelry shop, and when he went in front of the Valerie shop, even before a woman came out of the shop, Jack knew the answer, and now Jack was sure about what type of question she is going to ask. Oh, your national jewel, he said, careful not to say jewel. So, और वो ध्यान से ज्वेल मतलब जेब इस शब्द को अवॉइड कर रहा था. एंड योर नेशनल jewel, he said careful not to say jewel, is the zircon. So what is the national jewel of Gippsland? So zircon. Okay, so in this way he is going to give his taste on the way to Zenith cigarette. Now dear students, in this story we come to know that as the rules told by the judgment, now judgment is waiting for him in his palace, the famous Zenith cigarette. And now towards the famous Zenith cigarette, this our Zachary Zwicker is moving, and on the way he has got a flower shop and a jewelry shop, and he has given the correct answers of 2 questions. Now let's see in the next period what happens with him, whether what happened with Zachary Zwicker, whether he able to reach correctly, and whether he is able to go back from the Gippsland to his home. So dear students, read this story, read the difficult words meanings and learn well. I hope you have understood well. Have a good day. Stay safe.